In a significant leap towards autonomous transportation, Tesla has commenced testing its self-driving Model Y vehicles on public streets in Austin, Texas. These vehicles, operating without a driver in the seat, have reportedly completed several days of incident-free testing. Now, this is the new order. Looking ahead, Tesla plans to initiate its first self-driving over vehicle from the factory directly to customers' home as early as June 25th to 2025, a month ahead of the previous scheduled timeline. Imagine ordering your phone like ordering your car like pizza. So this is the technology about this thing. The Tesla's approach to autonomous driving diverges from many of its competitors by relying solely in a vision-based system. Instead of using LiDAR or radar models, Tesla employs a suite of cameras and advanced neural networks to interpret the vehicle's surroundings. That basically means it's live broadcasting of the information. Like the car has eyes and ears. Simple. The system is trained on vast amounts of real-world driving data collected from Tesla's global fleet. Central to this technology is Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, designed to process and learn from the massive data sets to improve the full set of driving capabilities continually. So it's like a human brain. It doesn't rest on previous information and just stands there. It's continuous. It has the ability to reinvent more of what it has already. So, on the implications of the future, the successful deployment of self-driving deliveries could revolutionize the automotive industry by reducing delivery times and costs. Moreover, Tesla's vision includes expanding its autonomous capabilities to a robo-taxi service, potentially transforming urban mobility and challenging traditional ride-hailing services. While these advancements are promising, they are also raise questions about regulatory approvals, safety standards, and public acceptance. This basically says there is no laws on this section of the world. This is a new technology which has no rules so far, no regulations so far. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of autonomous driving, the world watches closely to see how these innovations will shape the future of transportation. What do you think? This is the new future.